Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I will be showing you how to create this font shifting animation in CapCut PC. Open CapCut and bring in your background. I will go with this white background. Now scale it by increasing its size. After that bring in a text layer and rename it with your name or anything. Change its color to your liking. You can also add some shadow or glow to make it look more good. And now it's time for the animation. Go to the animation section and then in loop section search for font reel. Apply it and also make sure to adjust its speed. Now go to the effects panel and search for dark night. Make a few adjustments in it. And your font shifting text animation is ready. I will add some sound effects to make it look more effective. Adjust the sound effects to the length of your clip. And there you go, you can see the difference. And that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Also follow me on social media for more details and work related to editing. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.